And speaking of drugs and alcohol and all that, we've got some recipes. Yes.
Eggnog.
We're going to do some eggnog. I have an eggnog and she has an eggnog.
Yeah. So your eggnog is the strong eggnog.
My eggnog is strong.
Listen to what he has in his ingredients.
Okay, so let's do some Christmas recipes. Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
And we're going to do festive drinks today on Variety with John and Anna.
Drink it up.
And Anna and I both have a eggnog recipe, and I guess I will go first, and I'm going to give you the ingredients. So, and this is from christmasrecipes.com. So if you want to check out the recipes, I got them off that website. Okay, the ingredients for the classic eggnog, which is easy. The difficulty is labeled easy, and it serves 18 to 24 people.
Oh, nice.
So you can have a big party and do this. So in order to serve 18 to 24 people, you're going to need 9 egg yolks, 3 egg whites, 1.5 cups super fine sugar. I'm not really sure what makes it super fine.
I guess when it's like extra small little
grains.
Yeah,
little grains, yeah. 1 quart of whole milk, 2 quarts of heavy cream, 1 pint of bourbon, oh yeah, 8 ounces of cognac, and 2 ounces of dark rum.
Yeah, that's
wow,
a strong
so you got some alcohol
eggnog.
in there. And the directions are: beat the egg yolks until thick and pale yellow, add sugar to the yolks, and beat adding milk and 1 quart of heavy cream, add bourbon, rum, and cognac while stirring. Beat the other quart of heavy cream and egg whites separately and fold into a mixture and add nutmeg on top. And that makes a classic eggnog. And you also have an eggnog recipe as well. So what's yours?
I do. I have, let's see. For my recipe here, it calls for 6 eggs.
6 eggs.
1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of golden rum, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of rum flavoring, 1 quart of light cream, preferably 20%, and you sprinkle on the top with nutmeg. And to do this, the directions would be in a large bowl. You want to beat the eggs until light and foamy. Add sugar and salt, beating until thick and lemon colored. You want to stir in the rum and cream, chill for at least 3 hours, and just before serving, you want to sprinkle the top with some nutmeg. This recipe makes about 12 servings, about 1/2 cup for each person.
So 1/2 cup, that's it? Right? 1/2 cup? That's not going to do anything for me.
This is a skip recipe. Yours served what? 20
18
people?
to 24.
Anna was that strong.
And it's a strong. You got that bourbon and that rum.
Strong lick.
Yes.
Liquor.
So, and what do they call that? That's the holiday eggnog.
Yeah, the holiday eggnog.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty good.
And for you people who don't drink, you can just substitute for rum flavoring.
You can have a virgin drink as well if you don't drink.
Yeah.
So that's a good idea. Okay, next up we got the Christmas champagne cocktail. We continue the alcohol here. And the difficulty on this is easy, but this only serves 1 person. So you might want to double or triple up on it if you're hanging out with a friend, you know. The ingredients: 1 lemon wedge, 1/4 a cup of pink decorating sugar, 1 sugar cube, 1 dash of pomegranate nectar, chilled champagne or other sparkling wine or sparkling cider. So I guess you can decide there if you want the chilled champagne or the sparkling wine or cider, whatever you prefer. The directions on this: rub the rim of a champagne flute with the lemon wedge. You know about that. They do that in the restaurants, don't they? Then dip the rim into a decorating sugar. Save any extra sugar for making more cocktails. That's a good idea. That's a tip right there. Put the sugar cube into the float. Drop the pomegranate nectar on the sugar. Pour in the sparkling wine or cider to fill the glass. And guess what? You can serve it immediately. That's the Christmas champagne cocktail.
I like that. That sounds really yummy.
It does.
And it sounds pretty, and it sounds like it looks nice and festive. And I would like to try that, definitely.
And you could probably get tipsy off that, too. Drink a couple of those.
Oh, yeah. Champagne is pretty
those
strong.
things catch up on you. You think, sometimes even sweet drinks, you think they're not getting, you're like, oh, this isn't going to do anything.
Right.
Then before you know it, when you get up, you start
like, whoa.
Yeah. You're like out of balance. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So I have also the Christmas cheer. That's the name of this drink.
Christmas cheer.
because, you know, this is a time to be cheerful, jovial, and happy. Let's see. This is very easy to make. Serves 10 people. The ingredients are 6 oranges, 2 ripe bananas. So you get, you know, your servings of fruit for the day.
Yeah.
5 mint leaves plus 10 sprigs. 1 by 850 milliliters of a can of unsweetened pineapple juice. 1 to 750 millimeters of the bottle of mineral water. 1 cup of unsweetened black grape juice. 10 strawberries and ice.
So you're gonna have to go shopping for this one.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, go supermarket for this one.
The recipe directions would be, number 1, reserve 1 orange. Juice the remaining. That's kind of funny, right?
Yeah, that sounds funny.
Reserve 1 orange.
Reserve it. Don't save it, but reserve it. Okay. Go on.
Juice the remaining 5 oranges and blend with bananas and mint leaves in a blender. Number 2, combine remaining ingredients except strawberries and ice. Ooh, there's strawberries too. Add orange and banana mixture and chill thoroughly. The last direction is garnish glasses with split strawberries and half slices of an orange. That sounds nice.
That does.
Decorative. Serve the drink over ice with a sprig of mint. Very nice.
And that's a Christmas cheer.
Yay!
Yeah.
It sounds refreshing.
It does. I like that. And next I got the Christmas cocktail. So many. This
We're
one's
just drinking it up, huh?
We really are. And the difficulty on this one is easy as well, and it also serves 1, so you may want to double up on some of this. Okay, half a cup of sugar.
Double my dosage.
Yeah, that's right. 2/3 cup of water. So you got your sugar and water. 2/3 cup of unsweetened pineapple juice. I love pineapple juice. 2/3 cups of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of fresh or bottled lime juice. 2 unbeaten egg whites. 4 cups of finely crushed ice. And maraschino cherries.
I love maraschino cherries.
Yeah.
Yummy,
that does
yummy.
sound good, because you know what I drink when I do drink, but I don't drink often. But
Right.
I like cranberry juice, pineapple juice, and like Parrot Bay or Malibu.
Isn't that like a sea breeze or
really-
something?
Is that what it's called?
What is it
I've
called?
never known what
Something
it's called.
like
I just
that.
always ask for
Yeah.
it. So this would be
You
right
and
up.
Snappa get that a lot. I know this.
Yes.
That's a yummy drink.
That-
And
this would be
Snappa
right up
Made.
my alley.
Right up your alley.
Right up my alley. So, okay, let me give the directions. You cook sugar and water for 5 minutes. You chill. Shake all directions except cherries in a jar until light and frothy. Top with a cherry. And guess what? You can serve it immediately. So you don't have to wait. You can do it immediately.
That's the
and
best
that's the
thing.
Christmas cocktail. Good drink. I think I'm going to try this one.
Yeah,
This one
definitely.
sounds really cool. And you've got one last one, right?
Yes. The Christmas float.
Ooh.
This is a very easy drink to make, and this also serves 2. So
And
you
it's
want to
also
double
called the
up,
Christmas
triple up.
Spider, right?
Yes.
Okay.
AKA the spider. You know, you'll double up depending on how many people you have over. The ingredients include 1 can of cola, 3 scoops of chocolate or vanilla ice cream. So it sounds like it's kind of like a root beer float a little bit. 4 cherries, 2 red and green gumdrops, red and green M&Ms. Whipped cream is optional. The directions would be, number 1, scoop ice cream into a long glass or 2 glasses. Number 2, slowly, we're giggly today. Slowly pour chilled cola over the top and allow to froth. Number 3, you add cherries and the gumdrops and M&Ms and the cream on top. That's optional, as your decorating sense and sweet tooth dictate. So whatever your heart desires, that's how many of those ingredients you'll put
You
in.
might want to double up, and that's a Christmas float or Christmas spider. I like Christmas
Spider.
spider, I think, better.
Yeah.
Spider is kind of cooler. I
Like,
think.
man, maybe it creeps up on you.
Yeah, that's probably what it does. Probably.
I get scared of spiders. Oh my God. When I see them, I'm like, ah! But you know what?
What?
Spiders kill insects and, they eat
Yes,
insects
I
in your
never
house that
kill
you wouldn't
them.
even want to.
They're in my house, and I never kill, especially the long-legged ones, because they
The daddy
do.
long legs.
Yeah, and they don't bother humans. They
Yeah.
really don't.